So good afternoon to everyone, respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Sachin Kumar and today we have a presentation topic. The topic name is the environment. So first of all we will talk about the environment. What is the meaning of environment? Then we have to go start after it. So the everything which is our surrounding, it's all about it's if it is it a living thing or a non-living thing. It's always it is calculated in the environment. So everything that like people and the animals and all the insects which are growing and trees and all everything are in the part of the environment and also the non-living thing like furniture, rivers and water and air. So nowadays the environment is helping us very in a lots of way. Like it is contributing in our growth. Like we need air and we eat fruits and vegetables and we need medicines and all the necessary things which we require in our daily life. It is helping by the and it is providing by the nature and the environment. So nowadays we are totally dependent on the environment and the environment is helping us in a lots of ways and it's a nature's gift and we should take care of it, how to use and how to be in that so that it cannot harm it could not be harmed by ourselves. If we say how can we protect it, so it's our responsible and our duty to protect it. We can use recycling and we can do more and more productivity so that we can use it in a very manner and a very good way. Like we can, if we want to protect our environment, we can invent and create some things like which going not be to harm the environment, and we can recycle it and we can reuse it so that the way we can save our environment without harming it. And nowadays people are using in a very bad manner the environment and they are harming the environment, like they are deforestation and using plastic and creating plastic in a very big amount and big quantity so that it's damaging our land and air and all. The people are using so much vehicles, like they are using the petrol and the some gases which are going to destroy our air system and air pollution. It's creating very loud and now it's going to help in our future. So that is not a good thing, I think. So we should take care of our actions and our all the inventions which we are doing in our daily life, and we should always be thankful to the God and the God to the nature which He has given to us in a without any cost of it. That's it from my side about the environment.
So, what do you think how environment should be?
According to me, the environment should be a very fresh and that it should be a very good for us. Like if we don't destroy the environment will always going to help us in a without any taking things from us. Like it just asking to us, you need to do that things and develop that things, those not going to be harm me or you, because if we harm the environment will give to the back the which we have given to him. So that's why I think we should take care of our all the things and actions which we are taking in the regard of the environment.
What is your contribution in environment?
Self, how I using and contributing to not harming the environment. I always focus to use the sustainable development. I focus to and use the resources which we given by the nature and the environment to make it and to create it things that going to not harm us and not the our environment, and we will always go for the beneficial and the effective and contributing actions from my side, like not wasting the water, not wasting the energy and electricity, and not creating the pollution, and not and stop to try to force and make people aware about the environment and its benefits, and it's all necessary in and our duties to the regarding to ours.
How can you say that environment is good in our life?
Okay, as you know, the environment is all the nature's gift. You know, we don't have to push and we don't create it because it's always gifted by the nature. So I think environment is providing a lots of things to us which is not going to be us in our gift to us and our upgrading and our upcoming generations and generations to generations. So I think environment is always going to help us if we support it and we know about our actions and all the beliefs which we and our regarding to the duty towards it.
What is necessary for good environment?
Okay. As for my side, I think if we want to create a very good environment, so first of all we have to start from ourselves. Like we can take small actions to like we can plant more and more plants and trees, and we can make people aware about the environment, and it's our duty and our responsibility towards the environment, because environment is giving a lots of strength and resources without any taking cost of our age. So I think it's our humble and our duty and responsibility towards the environment. That's it.
Okay, so what do you think? What are some bad things in environment and how can we change it?
Okay. Nowadays, people are using a lot of resources and damaging the environment. Like they are using too much resources which we given by the environment, like water, air, and they are just cutting the trees and plants and forest and using the fields and lands for their industries and their go downs and their factories. They are building roads and dams and all over the rivers, so it maybe can destroy. And they are, nowadays people are using a lots of transportation nowadays, so it would be a very harmful effect on the environment. So I think we can go for the a sustainable development, a growth which going to help with the environment, and without harming the environment we can survive, I think.
Can we protect our environment to transporting or etc.?
By transportation, okay. uh, as on your question I will answer it. Nowadays people are the people, not the scientists and the developer who are contributing in our society and our world. They have created a lots of technology, and the technology is nowadays upgrading day by day. So people have created a solar energy. We can go for solar energy, and the people has created a transportation for the electric vehicles. Nowadays it's a very big boon for our environment and for our world and for our future also. Nowadays people using electric scooters, buses, cars, and bikes for their daily uses and their for office work and the things which they require in daily life. They just go by the and they just using their vehicles for, and that's the contributing and making less pollution in the by the transportation. So we can go for the solar energy and